Everyone focuses so much on visuals, transitions, zooms, effects, but honestly, sound design has way more emotional power than visuals. You can have the cleanest footage in the world, but if your sound doesn't fit, the vibe dies instantly. Try this. Show a calm scene with a fast dramatic music. It will feel terrible. Now, show the exact same clip with chill music. Suddenly, it feels relaxing. Same video, different mood. All because of sound. That's the power of good audio. Use music to set the tone. Add whooshes, rises and subtle background noises. Even silence used smartly can be super powerful. And by the way, you don't need to pay to get great music. On Pixabay you can download tons of different types of music and sound effects completely for free. Just search for what you need here, preview your song here, and if you like it, click download. It's super easy. I will leave the link to this website in the description below.